you can make this rich and decadent sugar-free chocolate fudge using only 5 ingredients. I'm going to show you how right now on The Crummiest. I'm going to start by chopping up 24 ounces of dark chocolate. Now you can use a sugar-free chocolate of your choice, but I'm going for 100% cocoa here. Now if you're using sugar-free chocolate chips or chocolate bars, you're not going to have to cut those up. So then I take the chocolate and I put it in a bowl that I have over a pan of boiling water. And if you don't have a double boiler, you can do this in the microwave. Just remember, it's microwave the chocolate for 30 seconds, stir it, and repeat until everything's nice and smooth. When the chocolate starts to warm up and soften, add 1 cup of evaporated milk and continue stirring until it's all smooth and creamy. And add 1 stick or half a cup of butter. Soften to room temperature is going to make your life a lot easier. And thanks to the magic of editing, I reduced 6 or 7 minutes of stirring into just a few seconds. You're welcome. Next we add 1 cup of our chosen artificial sweetener. I like Swerve powdered sugar substitute. I think it mixes and blends better than the granulated sugar substitute, especially in recipes that don't cook very long like this. And you can add a healthy dose of vanilla extract right here at the same time. And with the powdered sugar substitute, you're going to get in a little bit of a workout as you mix that all together. Just because this is sugar-free does not mean it's calorie-free. But the stirring does require a little bit of elbow grease, and I think that constitutes a workout. So don't feel bad about having an extra piece. Now that that's all done, we're going to line an 8x8 or a 9x9 baking dish with tin foil. And after we spread our fudge into the tinfoil pan, we're going to put it into the refrigerator to chill, preferably overnight. And here's where the beauty of the tin foil works out. After we remove it from the refrigerator, we can just release it from the pan, turn it over, and peel the tin foil off our big chunk of sugar-free chocolate fudge. Now if you're smarter than I am, you're going to wait 15 to 20 minutes before you attempt to cut it. But I'm not that smart and I couldn't wait, so here I am trying to cut it, and as you can see, it's really, really brittle. But it still tastes good because it tastes exactly how you want it to, depending on the chocolate you make. So make some tasty sugar-free chocolate fudge today, and remember to share it with friends.